Looking for some quick and easy camping meal ideas to make on your next camping trip? Something that won't be a ton of work, but still tastes delicious? Well, then this video is for you. Cooking outdoors, away from your kitchen is challenging for most people, but with little preparation and planning, following some tips and tricks, anyone can be a camp master chef. In any case, it is a good idea to bring some no-cook meals and snacks, like trail mix, granola bars or anything that does not require cooking or refrigeration. You never know what can strike you on your outdoor adventure. The best thing you can do is to make a long list of everything you need to buy or pack and check it, recheck it, and then cross the things off as you pack them in the car or your backpack. For enjoying tasty meals at a campsite, you don't need to bring your kitchen with you, and you really don't need a ton of expensive gear. All you need is a few basic pieces of camp cooking equipment. It comes down to 3 essentials. Number 1. Cookware and utensils. The amount of cookware you'll bring again depends on the type of camping you'll do. If your car is parked close to the campsite, then by all means, bring the heavy, cast iron cookware. It's very durable and reliable. Together with pie iron and a Dutch oven, this trio basically covers all your cooking needs and plans. You must not forget about the utensils either. Number 2. Fire pit, stove or grill. To cook you need heat, and heat outdoors comes from fire. Wood fire is a classic way of cooking at the campsite. If you intend to broil or fry, then laying the cookware on the hot coal should be enough. But cooking on a stove or a grill is easier than on an open fire, as you can regulate the flame. Lighting it up is also easier, but make sure not to forget to pack matches. For grilling on the propane grill, you don't even need cookware. Number 3. Food and drinks. Which food you'll bring depends on whether you are car camping or backpacking. The easiest option by far is dehydrated food, that is a breeze to cook, and surprisingly tasty. If you are able to be close to your vehicle, there is no limit when it comes to what you can eat while outdoors. When it comes to drinks, water is the most important, and you should have plenty of it to keep everyone hydrated. If you are car camping, you can bring a cooler with ice to keep drinks cold. Tea, coffee and hot chocolate are also great options to have on hand, especially in cooler weather. Outdoor cooking methods. The first thing that comes to mind when you think about cooking at camp is roasting foods over an open fire. Camp stove or grill. On a camp stove you can use a pot or a pan. You can boil pasta, make stews, soups, and you can fry anything in an iron skillet. A basic stove will have room for a big frying pan and a small saucepan on its double burners. Wood or charcoal fire. For cooking over fire, it is important to choose the right type of wood. Hardwoods like white oak, hickory or cherry are long-lasting and can burn for a long time, and also infuse great flavor to the food you are cooking. There are several ways to cook food over open fire. First, you can boil it, you just need the right type of dish to cook the food in. Another way is frying, which allows you to make delicious meals, but you absolutely have to make sure not to put the pan filled with oil on an open flame, as it will catch fire. The right time to fry food is when the fire starts to die down and it is close to getting to just embers. The arguably most delicious way to cook food over fire is grilling. This is also better done over the coals or directly on them. It does not matter whether it's charcoal or wood, the important part is that the heat is more consistent and there is no smoke. Get your fire going at least an hour before cooking to allow plenty of time for flames to die down and coals to get hot. Also, keep in mind cooking on a campfire takes longer than it does in your kitchen at home. Dutch oven. A Dutch oven is one of the most versatile pieces of camp cooking equipment you can own. Saute, steam, boil, fry and bake, if you can imagine it, you can probably make it in a Dutch oven. To cook with a Dutch oven you can use either charcoal or wood embers, but you can also use it elevated over live fire. It can be used as a pot, a skillet and as an oven, as its name implies. By using all these simple yet effective methods, you will get a fabulous experience of camping.